Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to count words in Excel. Let's get started. Finding the exact word count in a spreadsheet can be accomplished directly in Excel, but the entire procedure is quite complex. It is possible, but it would involve using various complicated functions and formulas simultaneously. In this tutorial, we won't take this difficult route. Instead, we'll explore a simple trick that can assist you in most cases. To quickly and easily determine the number of words in a spreadsheet, we'll utilize the Microsoft Word application. First, select the area where you need to find the word count and copy the selected data. Then open Microsoft Word. Use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste the copied data into a Word document. That's it. Check the bottom left-hand side of the status bar to see how many words are in the document. If for any reason you can't use Microsoft Word and need to find the word count directly in Excel, simply leave a comment below and we'll gladly create a video tutorial on the more intricate method of counting words in Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.